Thanks to IPS management for inviting me for this particular workshop. I don't mind calling the institute as Indian Physics Institute or Indian Physics Academy, because within these 5-6 days we have learned a lot. In my 30 years of teaching experience, as well as a PhD guide, we have done many experiments, we have done many exercises, we have done experiment in different possible ways, but the way the setup is done here, it's really awesome. It's too good. For example, the nature laws or the laws of nature or in physics, for example, Faraday law, Lenz's law, law of gravity, harmonic oscillator, anharmonic oscillator, and so on, are anyway present in nature. But how you probe them, how you find them, how you analyze them, that is really very interesting. And the nature and the behavior of the teachers here is so cordial. You call them anytime for any experiment, they never get tired. Moreover, what specific I found in this institute is a particular experiment. For example, experiment on rigidity, that is change of rigidity with temperature, includes lot of physics inside. For example, finding the rigidity is the elastic property. Heating the element is electrical into heat energy. Having the magnetic field for rotation is actually electrical energy into magnetic energy. And light source is being used for the reflection on the mirror. What not? There is mechanical, there is electrical, there is magnetic, and so on. So in total, if you want to see all the topics to be covered in a single experiment, and at the end, interface with microcontrollers. See, ultimately everybody wants automation and everyone precise test. The addition of interface with microcontroller has made the experiment very, very, very innovative. The lab not only contains and consists of experiments on optics, experiments on magnetism, experiments on pure physics, it also includes many good experiments on nuclear physics like GM counter, beta decay, and the specialty of the institute is Compton effect, which I have never seen before. I enjoyed the sessions. I enjoyed the depth of making the apparatus. I enjoyed the depth of doing the experiments. I could find the many possible errors we do as an experimenter, and the session was really fruitful. How the day passed, I really didn't realize. It was so good. It was so nice. At the top of it, the hospitality is too good. We got a very nice food in these 6 days. Anytime comfortable, and the food was with a variety, very tasty food. I fortunate to take the food only once. I was not taking the food in the evening because it was sufficient and a very good food. At the top of it, I thanks to the department, thanks to the supporting department, thanks to head of the department, thanks to the director of the institute, and I hope such workshop will continue for training new and coming teachers in the future. Thank you.